Hi guys, so in this video I will be going over the first two questions from Friday's exercise. I want you to go ahead and pay attention to what I do here and then go back and redo the exercise, do another attempt on the exercise for all of these problems, 1 through 10 I believe. So here are the first two problems. Number 1. A cylinder with radius 3 units is shown below. Its volume is 86 cubic units. Find the height of the cylinder. Alright? So you'll need to know the formula for the volume of a cylinder to solve this. And what you can do is, along with this exercise, I also posted another thing where it actually includes all of the volumes that you'll need, all of the formulas for volume that you need. In this case, it's the volume of a cylinder. So I just click right here, and now I have the page that shows you the volume of the cylinder. And we can see here that volume equals pi r squared h. So let's go back to the problem. Alright, so they say a cylinder with radius 3 units is shown below. Its volume is 86 cubic units, and they want you to find the height. Alright, so here's number 1. I drew it on this whiteboard. You can see that my radius is 3. We don't know what the height is. And we actually were given the volume. So volume equals pi r squared h. So I put in 86 for my volume, that was given, and then I put in 3 for the radius, that was given as well. And I need to solve for h. So what we have here is pi r squared h. 3 squared is 9, so we have 9 pi h equals 86. And then h equals 86 divided by 9 pi, which gives you a height of 3.04. Alright? 3.04. And again, all I did was I just used the formula that was provided by Khan Academy on this page. I remember that this is posted next to Friday's assignment, so you can just keep these two windows open. Alright, let's take a look at question 2. Alright, so for question 2, one student got this right, the other student did not, so let's take a look at what we have here. So we have, what is the ratio of the volume of cylinder A to the volume of cylinder B? Alright, so again, we'll need to use our formula. So let's go over here. I'll open it up, and we see that volume equals pi r squared h. So I need to find the volume of cylinder A and the volume of cylinder B and set it up as a ratio, and it should be one of these answers here. So here are my two cylinders, cylinder A, cylinder B. Here's the question. What is the ratio of the volume of the cylinder A to the volume of cylinder B? And there's the formula. Volume equals pi r squared h. So for cylinder A, we see that the radius is 3 units. And we see that the height, the given height, is also 3 units. So I just simply plug in my information here. I have volume equals pi radius squared times height. In this case, the radius is 3, so 3 squared. The height is also 3, so I put the 3 there. So pi equals 3 squared times 3, meaning that pi equals 9 times 3, and finally pi equals, or the volume equals 27 pi. Alright, so that's the volume of cylinder A. Now for the volume of cylinder B, we have a radius of 2 units and a height of 4. So volume equals pi r squared h. That means volume equals pi 2 squared times 4, which means volume equals pi times 4, and you get 16 pi. Alright? 27 pi divided by 16 pi is the same thing as saying 27 over 16, and that is your answer. Alright, so the answer would be D in this case. Alright, so I want you guys to take a look at the next video that I'm going to post. I'm going to include problems 3 and 4 in the next post.